Hi, I am Alexa. Welcome back to TechStation. In this video, we will be discussing how to install Kali Linux in VirtualBox. We are posting this video, as in upcoming video we will show some tricks and hacks related to Kali Linux. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Kali Linux is mainly used for advanced penetration testing and security auditing. For those who don't know about VirtualBox, VirtualBox is a software which can run any operating system virtually on a host machine. So without wasting more time, let's jump into the video. So first step is to download the VirtualBox on which we will run the operating system. The links are provided in description. Here click on Windows Host and the download will start automatically. Meanwhile VirtualBox is downloading, visit to the Kali Linux official site. Here click on the Kali Linux 64-bit installer to download the ISO file. Now once you have downloaded both the things required, open VirtualBox Setup to install VirtualBox. Click Next. Here select the folder where you want to install it, then click Next. Again Next. Then click Yes. And then click Install. VirtualBox will start installing. Click Finish once the installation is complete. Now launch VirtualBox. And here is the VirtualBox Manager. Here click on New to create a new virtual machine. Give a name to your new VM. As we are installing Kali Linux, I'll give the name Kali. Then select the type as Linux. And version as Debian 64-bit. Click Next. Select the memory size, that is RAM that you want to allocate to virtual machine. We recommend to set it to 50%. You can select it as per your requirement, but not more than 50%. Then click Next. In this section, leave it as default. And click Create. Again leave it as default. Click Next. Read the description given and select the option as per your requirement. Then click Next. Here select the amount of hard disk you want to allocate to the virtual machine. I am selecting 64 GB. Then click Create. And here, we have created our virtual machine successfully. Now click on the yellow gear to open Settings of Virtual Machine. Open Advanced Panel. From both the drop-down menus, select Bidirectional, so that you can easily share the files between your host machine and virtual machine. Now click on System, and open the Processor panel. Select the number of processors you want to assign to virtual machine. I recommend you to select half of the processors available. Here I'm selecting 2 processors. Now click on Storage from the left menu. Here, under Controller ID, click on Empty. Now click on the blue colored disk icon, and select Choose a disk file. Navigate to the location where you have downloaded Kali Linux ISO file. Select the ISO file, and click Open. You will see the name of the file here. Now click OK to save the changes. Now click on Start to start the virtual machine. From the drop-down menu, select the Kali Linux ISO file, and click Start. From here go to Graphical Install by using arrow keys. Then hit Enter. Let it load the installation menu. The language will be English by default, so click Continue. Select your country here, and click Continue again. Leave the keyboard type as default, and click Continue. Let it load the additional components. It is establishing some connections. Now give a host name to your system. I'll give the name Kali again. Continue. Leave the domain name blank. Continue. Now set a password. You have to remember this password, as you will need it every time you log in into your system. Again, continue. Here select, Guided Use Entire Disk. Continue. Again, continue. From here select, All files in one partition. Continue. Here select, Finish partitioning and write changes to disk. Continue. Here select, Yes. Continue. Now the Kali Linux installation has started. Meanwhile, like the video. Not a subscriber yet? Go and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Also, don't forget to press the bell icon. When it asks for using a network mirror, select No. Continue. Now select Yes. Continue. Here select the hard disk name, that is second option. Continue. Now it will install Grub. And then it will finish the installation. Here it shows that the installation is complete without any error. Click Continue. Let it finish the process. The operating system is booting up. Enter the username as root. Click Next. Enter the password you chose while installing Kali, and click Sign In. And here we can see the Kali Linux desktop. But wait, the process is not complete yet. When you click on this Maximize button, you will notice that Kali Linux desktop does not resize itself accordingly. This is because we need to install guest editions so that the operating system resize itself. To do so, open up Terminal window by clicking on its icon. Or you can open it by right-clicking on Desktop and selecting Open in Terminal. Here type the command shown on screen. Make sure you are connected to Internet before doing this. Hit Enter. Here, if it shows this message, then well and good. Otherwise, it will install the files required. Now go to Devices and click Insert Guest Edition CD Image. Wait. Here don't click on Run, because by doing so, it will automatically start installing guest editions which can cause error. We will install them manually, so click Cancel. Now type the next command. Hit Enter. Next one. Enter. Next command. Enter. And the last one. Enter. And here it will install the guest additions for Linux. After installation, type reboot to reboot the system. Enter the details. Now go to View and select Auto Resize Guest Display. Here you got it. You can also switch to full screen mode. And here you are, in full screen mode. To go back to windowed mode, navigate to this bar. View. Again select full screen mode to disable it. Or you can simply switch between these view mode by pressing right Ctrl plus F. Well, that's all for today. And if you want us to do a video with Google Assistant, complete the goal of 50 likes on this video. So bye bye, and thanks for watching.
Put the gun down.
Bye bye. Okay, I'm still alive.
So am I too. You can't kill a spirit even if you tried to.